Navigating at sea is dangerous, tricky business. There aren't any landmarks or road maps for the open ocean. So how do you know where you are and where you are going? In order to know where you are on a map, you must know how far you are north to south and east to west. Lines of latitude indicate position north and south, and lines of longitude indicate how far east or west you are. By the 18th century, mariners had become good at using simple angle measuring tools to determine the altitude of the stars and sun against the horizon to figure out latitude, or how far north or south they were located. The more complex problem they had was trying to figure out longitude, or how far east or west they were located. To know the longitude, one must know the time in two places at once. That requires a good clock and measuring the local time by observing the sky. Here's how it works. The Earth turns 360 degrees in 24 hours, or 15 degrees each hour. Local noon is determined by noting when the sun reaches the highest point in the sky. Every 24 hours, the sun would be back in its highest point in the sky. Suppose a navigator had an accurate clock that kept track of time, synchronized to the daily movements of the sky as seen in a port city. The navigator could then carry this clock on the ship, which would continue to show the accurate time in the port city. The local time on board the ship was determined by measuring the position of the sun, moon, or stars. Longitude was determined by calculating the difference between local time and port time. If there was a 1-hour difference between noon on the clock and noon on the ship, the navigator would know the ship was 15 degrees east or west of the city where the clock was set. A 3-hour difference would mean the ship was 45 degrees east or west of that city. The challenge was knowing the time at the home port while sailing miles away, and to do that one must have an accurate clock.